Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on DeepSeek AI. To enable dark mode on DeepSeek AI, first of all, go ahead and open up the DeepSeek AI application on your device. And once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the two lines at the top left corner and click on the three dots at the bottom right next to your email. This will open up the settings menu, where you need to tap on the drop-down right next to Appearance. Now choose Dark option from the pop-up, and there you have enabled dark mode on your DeepSeek AI app on your mobile device. Now you can enjoy DeepSeek AI in dark mode for a more comfortable viewing experience, especially at night. You can always change the appearance back to light or system by getting to this page and repeating the process. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more DeepSeek tutorials. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.